Any guesses what this recipe would be? This is my son's favorite food. It is Indian bread stuffed with potato. We call it Aloo Paratha. So to make Aloo Paratha, I've taken these potatoes, washed it well, cut it. This is a pressure cooker I use, and I put clean water in it, some salt, not much, just enough for this potato and the amount of water that's there. Yes, now we close the pressure cooker. Cook it on a low flame. So this pressure cooker would give us a whistle. When I hear 3 whistles, I'll turn off the flame. Now we are making the dough out of wheat flour, all-purpose flour, salt and water. I'm taking 3 cups of wheat flour. I've already put 2 cups, that was the 3rd cup, and then half a cup of all-purpose flour and some salt, yes, just a little salt, take care not to put too much, and water. So water we put little, mix it, and if required we can add some more water into it. Yeah, the process is a little time taking. If you have that mixer which makes dough, you can use it, or else you'll be kneading with your hand. I'm done with my kneading. It's kneaded well. You notice that it's not very loose, not too tight, just soft. Yes, this is how we want it. I let it sit for 2 hours and it's ready to get cooked. My potato is fully cooked and I have smashed it. I'll smash it to as smooth as possible. Then now we'll be frying this potato with onion, fenugreek leaf, we call it methi leaves. Yeah, this is good for health. It's optional. If you want, you use it, but definitely this enhances the flavor. Then I have some ginger and green chilies kept here. My green chilies are not so hot, so I'm using like 6 to 7 green chilies and ginger. We'll make a paste of this with little salt. We'll also need lemon. I have squeezed and kept its juice ready for us. And then we would need some spices, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder. These are the spices. See, I'm putting the ginger, green chili, a little salt and slight water. Just a little so that it runs the mixer, and we're going to make it to a coarse paste. The paste is ready. I use this pan here. We need to put approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I saved my quantity of potato and decide on how much oil I would need. And then we would be adding first goes in the onions. Salt for the onion to cook easily. You see the onion is now translucent, So it's a perfect time to add our next ingredient, which is the chili and ginger paste. There goes all my chili and ginger paste. Let it fry in the oil and onion. So any raw smell that goes off. I add my methi leaves, finely chopped methi leaves. It takes a minute to cook the methi leaf. While this is cooking, I'll add the spices that I need. Since we already added green chilies, I'll just add a little bit of red chili powder, not much. Coriander powder. Coriander powder, I always use it double the quantity of chili powder. So it's slightly more than the chili powder. Some turmeric powder. And this is cumin powder. Cumin is very much required whenever we are eating gassy food like potato. So it helps in digestion. Stir this so all these powders get cooked. A little salt. Continue to cook. It smells really good. The methi leaves, they give a flavor and also the smell. Smells good. So now it's almost ready. It's time to put the smashed potato. There goes my potato. Take care that there is no water in the smashed potato. Now we mix it thoroughly. This is 1 lemon juice and need a little bit more salt. Let's mix this all well. You need to taste a little of this to make sure the salt is sufficient, and mine needs a little more salt. So here it goes. Our potato filling is now ready. It's hot right now, so I let it cool. The potato is cooled now, and I have made small portions of the potato, and also I made small balls of the dough. So right now what we would do is we roll the dough and keep the potato mixture in it and then flatten it. I almost made one. I would show another one for you. First roll it to a small size. Keep this in your hand. Take another dough. I think my balls are a little small, so I just add a little extra mixture and then take all the sides together. Okay, and bring this together, push it in. So it should be like this. So gently roll it. Don't put much of a pressure. wouldn't make it very thin. I keep it a little thick. So now my pan is hot. Let the bottom side cook a little, then we'll turn it over. I've kept my ghee ready. Ghee tastes good. If you don't want to use ghee, you can use butter or even any cooking oil. Ghee gives a good taste, so I prefer to use ghee. Make sure all the white parts are nicely dampened with the ghee. Using these brown dots, that says that it's cooked well. This region is not cooked yet properly, so I'll have to flip it again and cook it in the center and these parts where you see it translucent. Yeah, look at this, how nicely it's so many dots and the dish. Yeah, now it's done. The center is cooked. Aloo parathas are ready. We usually eat aloo paratha with yogurt and pickle. You can also eat it with tomato ketchup or any other sauce of your choice. So enjoy the aloo paratha. Thanks for watching. तुझे कितना चाहिए